What's going on, guys? Today I'm working on my Integra. I'm putting a fog light switch on it. I used to have the cruise control right there. As you can see, that's the plug. I had to wire up the fog lights using one of these bolts as a negative, and then I had so much fucking extra wire that I just tied it together, and then the plastic cover will hide it once I install that back on. But I was able to get everything off, just popped off, put the new one in, and right now it's working. Right now it's off, right now it's on. So right now they're on. And then the little light on it. Oh God, focus. The little light does turn on. I just have to put the negative on metal. Okay, so for the light to work on the switch itself, I have to ground out this little wire right here. I'm gonna ground it out right there as well. So just let me take that off real quick. Doesn't even have to come off all the way. Just need to loosen it up. Enough to where I can slide it through. And tighten her up. Okay, so now that it's grounded, let me turn the light. Let me turn this actually on. You can tell now that it's on. Off. On. Alright, so I got all the trim back on. Sorry for the glare, so much fucking sun out. Just need to get a couple bolts on the steering wheel plastics, but yeah, everything's hidden. Man, my car's dirty. Well, appreciate you guys watching this video. It's not too much of an info video, just something that I was doing. The next video coming up is going to be the radiator. It will have to come off. I tried to save it with some silicone. I don't know if you could tell. But it's starting to separate, so it will be coming off. Bumper's coming off. That's the next video to come. Like, subscribe, keep watching my videos. Appreciate it, guys.